how to send pictures in gallery to text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Next, open up your gallery app. Now from here, you want to select the image that you want to share. So we're going to first touch and hold on one of the images, then select that, and then select any other images that you want to share. After that, tap on the share button and then choose messages. Now you might need to scroll across to find messages, or you can tap on the more button and this will open up the full apps. In here, select messages and then select a contact or conversation. Then tap on next. Now at the bottom here, you can see it attach 3 pictures. In here, you can add a text, my photos, and then tap on the send button to send. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.